Hi, and welcome to the ImageQuest portal. I'm Dan Russo, and today I'll guide you through your portal where you can manage all your IT needs in one convenient place. This user-friendly platform allows you to create support tickets and manage your IT infrastructure efficiently. With everything in one place, you no longer need to navigate multiple systems. Whether you need technical support or want to track service history, it's all just a few clicks away. So let's begin by exploring the dashboard. Your home screen is the central hub for key activities. At the top, you'll find two main functions. First, report a problem, where you can quickly submit IT issues for fast resolution. And second, review tickets, where you can track the status of your submitted support tickets. Below, you'll see helpful resources, including guides for navigating the portal effectively, quick tips for common tasks, and popular articles covering frequently used help topics. Let's move on to the Applications page. The Applications page provides quick access to Microsoft 365 tools. Here you can find Microsoft 365 applications like Outlook, Teams, Excel, OneDrive, and more. The search bar can be used to quickly find any application. And just like the home screen, you'll find popular articles and tickets waiting for quick access. Next, let's explore the knowledge base. The knowledge base is your go-to resource for IT support articles. Features here include a search bar to find articles instantly by entering keywords. Categories are organized by topic, how to use the portal, portal information, and quick tips for faster resolution. You'll also find both popular and latest articles sections. This section empowers you with self-service options, reducing downtime. The Support tab on the left provides quick access to key features. Here you can report a problem and review tickets just like you saw on the home screen. This ensures fast and easy access to IT support when you need it. The Courses page helps you enhance your skills through training. You'll find recommended and required courses curated based on your needs, in progress and completed courses to track your learning, and categories and tags to filter courses by topic or language. This section supports professional development and skill building. Thank you for exploring the new ImageQuest portal. We hope this walkthrough has demonstrated how this platform streamlines IT management, improves efficiency, and enhances your overall experience. We appreciate your trust in ImageQuest and look forward to supporting your IT needs.